Received orders given. Expect results. It's Airdrop Sniper here.
Today, let's talk about Sony. The Sony, you know. The Sony chain will officially launch in the first quarter of 2025. With Sony and ASTR coming together, it's forming the new SONYM ecosystem. This collaboration, backed by Sony Bank's investment, holds immense potential. Sony is a global giant in entertainment, gaming, and electronics. The Japanese Prime Minister recently gave a keynote at a blockchain event. Japan's high interest in cryptocurrencies is evident. Sony's entry could accelerate this blockchain venture. Its global influence makes it a powerful player. Some analysts predict a downturn in January. But new chain launches often create opportunities. ASTR token holders may receive benefits after SONYM's launch. Details are unclear, but rewards for LPs are likely. Stay tuned for potential surprises. ASTR is 70% below its all-time high. Major developments are planned for early next year. The ecosystem has room to thrive with SONYM's support. ASTR has utility in governance, gas fees, staking, and payments. The roadmap aims to expand the ecosystem. The staking program for ASTR is coming in 2025. ASTR was highlighted during recent announcements. Airdrops of Sony tokens are a possibility for ASTR holders. This adds excitement for the SONYM launch. Keep an eye on these developments. The ASTR Surge campaign started on December 18th. Participants can deposit ASTR tokens in advance. Although we don't have a precise date, it seems evident that accumulated points can be exchanged for SONYM tokens. Now let's start. First, go to their website. Link is in the description. Click on Connect Wallet. Under Native Wallets, click on ASTR Snap. Click on Install. Add to Metamask. Check Install ASTR Wallet and confirm. Go back to the website and connect your wallet. Check and connect. This is your ASTR wallet address. Now we will send ASTR from Binance to my wallet. I sent $300 worth of ASTR to my wallet. If the project gets hype, I plan to do more. I received my fund. Now send ASTR from ASTR wallet to your EVM wallet. Copy your EVM wallet address and paste it. Approve. Approve once more. Now go to the second website in the description. You will see that you have 5 deposit choices on different themes. Honestly, I didn't do much research. I deposited where the amount of deposit was the lowest. I hope that I'll have more points since there's less participants. Now connect your wallet. Create your agent NFT. Confirm. Click on Deposit ASTR. Enter your amount and confirm deposit. And that's it. I admit that this is a little bit more complicated to participate. However, I like even more when there's hurdles so there's fewer participants. Also, this project is backed by a multinational. I think it's the first time I see that. Let's see if it's more profitable. For every airdrop distribution updates, follow my Telegram. Also, I have a website where I gathered only airdrop projects backed by best VCs or most credible influencers. So don't hesitate to check it out. Links are in the description.